Have you ever heard someone say plug and play and wondered what they mean? How can understanding this idiom as well as others improve your tech-savvy reputation? Welcome, everyone, and good day to all. This is another learning session from Business English Success Strategies. Our purpose is to use our years of experience in TEFL and ESL to help you master English communications. We do this by providing tips, strategies, and lessons to improve your spoken business English. Now, you've been wondering how best to use tech idioms or jargon in business communication. And today our topic is decoding the tech-savvy idioms in business English. This session is part of our ongoing series about how and when to use industry-specific terms and phrases, so you'll see more from us in the future. We are continuing our journey, and we always look at the foundational elements of business English with our lessons, the when and how to use. In this case, the when and how to use tech terms or jargon in our business communication. Understanding these basics will improve your grammar and enhance your ability to convey your ideas succinctly and persuasively in the tech business world. Now, these lessons are most appropriate for intermediate and advanced users, but everyone is welcome. The format of this lesson is to define a term and present it with a short, real-world example of some type. Okay, now let's get started. Play. Here's an example of using plug and play, right? And this is all about seamless integration in action. Embrace plug and play ease with tech tools. An example is this language learning software is plug and play, enabling instant practice without setup. Reinventing the wheel. Avoiding unnecessary redundancy. Redoing tasks inefficiently, like reinventing the wheel, hinders progress. Use existing solutions smartly instead. Example, why are we reinventing the wheel to create a new system when one already exists? Looking a little closer, avoiding redundancy in work, efficiency through innovation. Understanding reinventing the wheel emphasizes avoiding redundant work. Question existing solutions to enhance efficiency and innovation in work processes. Be efficient, not redundant. On the same page. The importance of being on the same page. There's unity and understanding for business success. Alignment and shared vision are key. Clarity, collaboration, and goal achievement result from being on the same page. Example, all departments must be aligned and on the same page before the project launch. Back to the drawing board. Starting over with a fresh perspective. Embracing fresh starts for success. Starting fresh with back to the drawing board fosters learning from failures, adapting strategies, and achieving goals. Example, the app failed the test. Oh well, back to the drawing board for improvements. Taking a little different look, real-life application of back to the drawing board. In other words, you're revisiting strategies for success. After a failed app testing, the team embodies back to the drawing board by refining decisions and designs and addressing feedback, showcasing resilience and commitment for delivering excellence. Cutting edge. The significance of cutting-edge technology. Right? So cutting edge simply means the most recent and advanced stage of development in a particular type of work or activity with the newest systems, equipment, etc. You're embracing innovation for competitive advantage. Staying at the cutting edge fosters innovation, boosts adaptability, and meets customer needs. Embrace advancement for increased efficiency and success in business English. Up and running. Introduction to up and running is, let's make it simple. Getting started with up and running means fully operational, as in our website is finally up and running after weeks of development. Understand its business usage with real-world examples. Let's look a little closer. The significance of up and running. In this case, focusing on operational efficiency. Progress and achievement. This shows advancement and successful implementation. Readiness for delivery. Indicates preparedness to offer services or products. Illustrate with industry examples. Show significance across different sectors for clarity. Key to business success. Essential for operational success and business effectiveness. Crash and burn. Let's look at the usage in business context. Navigating failure in business. Understanding crash and burn is vital for professionals. It symbolizes major failures. Example, the software crashed and burned during the presentation, embarrassing the team. Pushing the envelope. The importance of pushing the envelope means you want to go beyond normal limits and try out a different and new idea that is often viewed as radical or risky. In other words, you want to innovate to dominate. Pushing the envelope drives innovation, helping businesses stand out and excel. Embrace pushing boundaries to lead in tech and outperform competitors. Boots on the ground. Implementing real-world solutions, the significance of having a physical presence. Boots on the ground emphasizes the importance of physical presence for efficient task execution. For example, installing networks in multiple offices requires boots on the ground for correct and prompt completion. The value of boots on the ground. You're enhancing implementation success. Having boots on the ground ensures effective communication, accurate project completion. As an example, more boots on the ground for the network installation across offices. Jump on the bandwagon. If someone, especially a politician, not just a business person, jumps or climbs on the bandwagon, they become involved in an activity or movement because it is fashionable or likely to succeed, and not because they are really interested in it. So essentially, someone or some things or someone's riding the wave of success, aligning with trends like jump on the bandwagon, boost brand visibility and credibility. Embrace new ideas to attract customers and outshine competitors, as seen in the e-commerce boom. In other words, jumping on the bandwagon isn't a negative or a positive. Let's look a little closer. Here's some tips for leveraging trends. Remember, jump on the bandwagon means you've spotted the trend and you're going along with it. So this is strategic trend adoption. Monitor industry news. Stay informed to identify emerging trends and opportunities. Conduct market research. Analyze consumer preferences for potential bandwagon opportunities. Engage with the audience. Interact to understand market needs and preferences. Stay agile in decisions. Adapt strategies promptly to leverage trends effectively. Low-hanging fruit. The significance of a low-hanging fruit. You're maximizing efficiency and productivity. Identifying and completing easy tasks swiftly boosts productivity. Starting with low-hanging fruit helps build momentum for more complex projects. For example, let's start the project by tackling the low-hanging fruit. Looking a little deeper, updating existing software, seizing the opportunity for quick wins. Start projects by updating existing software. That's a quick win, or low-hanging fruit. Immediate efficiency gains highlight the power of leveraging simple solutions. An example, let's tackle the low-hanging fruit first. Think outside the box. Real-life examples, creative thinking in business. So essentially, this is to think differently and unconventionally, or from a new perspective. The phrase also often refers to novel or creative thinking. From a business perspective, you're embracing innovation for business success. Right? Discover how thinking outside the box drives success in business. Explore real cases where creativity led to breakthrough products, efficiency, and a competitive edge. Ahead of the curve. The significance of being ahead of the curve. Staying competitive in business. Being ahead of the curve highlights the need to outperform rivals. As an example, our R&D team, or research and development team, excels in AI integration, ahead of the curve and setting us apart from the market. Competitive advantage of being a pioneer in the industry, leading innovation strategies. Market leadership, leading and setting trends in the industry. Brand reputation, enhances credibility and trust among consumers. Increased market share, expands business influence and customer base. Customer loyalty, builds a strong and dedicated customer following. By the book. In other words, by the book is following the official rules very strictly, right? And there's power in adhering to the regulations sometimes. Following rules like by the book is vital in business for quality and efficiency. In software testing, strict adherence ensures high quality outcomes. Application in daily business life. Enhancing precision for success. Adopt a by the book approach for optimal outcomes in daily business. Precision in following protocols ensures efficiency and quality, vital for smooth operations and business success. Hit the ground running. This is the power of starting strong. Hit the ground running. Begin energetically in business. Start swiftly to create momentum and set a successful tone. Example, funding approved. Let's hit the ground running with development. Looking a little deeper, illustrating hit the ground running, seizing opportunities quickly, immediate action, starting tasks promptly for positive results, enthusiastic beginnings, beginning projects with zeal and speed, achieving remarkable results, positive outcomes from quick and effective actions. Game changer. Game changer, you're revolutionizing the norm. A game changer revolutionizes norms with significant impact. Example, blockchain is a real game changer because of the way it secures transactions. Let's look a little deeper. The impact of game changer in business, revolutionizing business dynamics. Definition of game changer, significant shift in business strategies and practices. Impact of radical changes, showcasing real-life examples of game changers in business. Influence on strategies, illustrating how game changers shape business approaches. And finally, business transformation cases, demonstrating how game changers revolutionize industries. Move the needle. Move the needle is an idiom that means to make a change that is noticeable, to alter or modify something so that the effect on your action is measurable. We need to focus on projects that will really move the needle in terms of client growth, revenue, and profit growth as well. Driving transformation. Move the needle, driving notable change or impact. Implement innovative strategies to significantly influence market share. Emphasizing or emphasizes creating transformative approaches for business success. Looking a little deeper, transforming business processes, driving change effectively. Significant differences, explaining how move the needle creates notable changes. Real-world examples, showcasing outcomes from using move the needle concept. Power of strategies, understanding the effectiveness of implementing impactful strategies. And lastly, implementing change, utilizing strategies to truly move the needle in business processes. Silver bullet, a simple solution to a complicated problem. There was no silver bullet that could have prevented this massive failure. So, with silver bullet, we're talking about the myth of easy fixes, right? Generally, there is no easy fix. An easy fix is the exception, not the rule. Right? So exploring silver bullet as a simple solution to complex issues, you understand its application in network security. For example, no silver bullet. Layers of protection are needed and are key. Looking a little closer, the application of silver bullet in business processes. Layered problem solving. Utilizing multiple strategies. Enhances effectiveness and resilience in business processes. Avoiding single solutions. Highlight the importance of layered approaches in problem solving. Emphasizing versatility. Showcase adaptability by applying diverse strategies for success. Enhancing overall effectiveness. Illustrate how varied strategies can improve business processes. Par for the course. Navigating expected challenges. Encountering bugs in complex code is par for the course. Embrace typical situations as part of your routine to excel in tech and business English. Par for the course. Incorporating par for the course in business. Navigating common situations with confidence. Understanding par for the course in business helps manage expectations and adapt to challenges. Example, facing unexpected obstacles in projects is par for the course. Out of the box. Immediate usability, instant accessibility. Out of the box means immediate usability without complex setup. Enhances efficiency, streamlines experience, and saves time. Example, this software is ready to use right away. And lastly, creative thinking in business, unleashing creativity. Out of the box promotes innovative thinking, fostering unique solutions and business growth. Embrace unconventional approaches to stand out in the competitive tech industry. So there you have it. You have 20 powerful idioms that are used on a regular basis in the tech industry. We will be back to continue this series on tech idioms or tech jargon to give you more and to help you become even more tech savvy and add to your reputation as a smart and in the know business person. So if you found this content useful, then please like, subscribe, and share the video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. See you next time as we continue our linguistic adventure.